What's up, guys? We are at the event today. Drift30. Scotty B's right here. We got Mike.
Let's go drive.
Hey, what's your name?
B.
B. Nice to meet you. Oh, everything's getting set up. We got the car show going over there. It's just about time to start everything. We got drifting over there, and we're gonna go hop in a monster truck right now. Look at this. This is what? Jacob Supply owns this?
Yes.
Woo! This thing is monstrous. I'm 6'2" for reference. These tires gotta be, what, 5'10", 5'11"? They're like 1.2 Chads.
Got him! Got him!
I'm about to go for a ride in a monster truck. Yeah! Yeah, buddy. I'm loving this. Got a helmet on, left my bag at home, which sucks, but luckily there's some nice people. Got a helmet bar. So first, we're gonna start off drifting with no nitrous. See how that goes. I haven't even drifted this car yet. We'll see what it does, do a couple runs, and then we'll probably throw the nitrous on. Here we go. That was going around in first gear. Let's see if it wants to do second. Those first few runs were all first gear, trying to get the hang of it, started getting the hang of it. The next ones were second gear, didn't have the hang of it, started getting a little bit better, and then we just decided to turn on the nitrous. And as soon as you hit that button, it works. The tires spin and I just whip right around. We're getting the hang of it. I think I'm gonna take a break for a second, let the clutch cool down. Old girl is hanging in with only a little bit of clutch. Mike? Was that shield like that before?
Yeah.
Oh, it was? break and get back to it.
Solid.
That looks pretty solid. Now we're going to try second gear a little bit faster.
So how's your nitrous setup? Is it when it's at wide open throttle?
Unfortunately, no, because the TPMS sensors, this is an LS, it's for Klaus.
Okay.
So this is an LS nitrous kit. It's supposed to be based off a 5-volt sensor.
Okay.
BMWs don't really have those. So what we did is you take your cigarette lighter, you cut a USB cord, and that's 5 volts.
Okay.
And then I run it to a button. So I kind of got to drive and hit the button at the same time. But we're going to try one more second gear, and then we'll do nitrous after that.
All right. So there you go, YouTube. If you want to run nitrous on a budget, get a 5-volt USB power supply.
I'll put it on just in case. Just in case we need it. I mean, Mike probably won't mind if we crash his car. Because over the winter time, this whole drivetrain's getting pulled, and he's doing the 1500 horsepower LS swap, turbo 400,
Nice.
basically making his version of Ruby.
That's awesome.
I love just the merge one.
It's awesome. Yeah, there's a lot of good drivers out here.
Yeah, these guys are good. We practiced last Saturday.
Okay.
I didn't have anything, and he gave me the keys to like one of these Nissans, and that's
Nice.
fun. Hit the button.
Just a couple of announcements.
Oh. Second gear is still a challenge.
Yeah, I think first gear's your ticket in this thing.
It really is. The hood.
Oh, this time?
That wasn't there before.
Uh-oh.
The car is running really rough after that last nitrous run. And there's a dent there.
Yeah, it's,
So,
so
it
that's
lines
your oil fill or something?
here. Oh yeah, right there, see?
Oh, yeah. I didn't think about jumped out of there.
The engine is jumping up in the air. Because is there 2 mounts on the front and then 1 in the back, engine mounts, or is there just 2 engine mounts? So do you think they're both shot?
Yeah.
Yeah, so there's 1 mount way down there. I don't know, I can't move it, but when you give it gas, the engine goes up about 3 or 4 inches, and it's smashing into the hood, and you can actually see one of the dents. And I think it did break this, because this is broken more. guys. Drift event was over. That was an absolute blast. Cannot wait to do it again. Big thanks to Aaron and everyone else. We got some ride-alongs, a whole bunch of good footage. The 5 is driving home, not the best. So we got 2 broke engine mounts. I'm pretty sure we have spark plugs that blew the electrodes off because it's barely running. And as we're driving home, the car is shaking violently, and that rear wheel is just done for. Pretty sure it's the wheel bearing completely gone. Oh. Yeah, it's shaking pretty bad. Oh well. Hey, we'll see you guys on the next one.